So hello, what's up? I'm going to be unboxing the EvaDry dehumidifier. Yeah, so it just comes in this little white box. Alright, didn't really come prepared. Oh, we don't need scissors. That's it. Yeah, so let's open it, and it comes with this thing. This is for a shower, but I'm going to be using it for my room. I just cut my nails, literally today, so I can't open this. Okay. So I'm assuming this thing works. Is you kind of just hang it on your room, or bathroom or whatever. It collects the water from the air, and it shows these like small yellow balls. They'll turn blue and be enlarged or something when they're wet. And you plug it into your socket, and with the help of electricity, it heats up the machine, and the built up water is released into the air. I don't know. I'm just judging by the way the thing looks. Wait, so how does this thing attach? Ooh. Okay. It's maybe not that easy. I'm trying to show it. Come on. What? Oh. There's no click, it just kind of slides in. Okay, so that's it. EvaDry. I don't know, I gotta think of somewhere to hang this to make use of the hanger. Alright, that's it. Click off the video.